Welcome to 3208 Paddock Road, a gorgeous 5-acre estate in Walton County. Welcome to 3208 Paddock Road in Covington. This gorgeous 5-acre estate in Walton County has a gated entrance. The acreage is open with plenty of room for pasture and can be easily used as an equestrian property once fenced. This log home has been meticulously maintained by its current owner and complements the natural surroundings. One of the first things you'll notice is the 4-sided wraparound porch, giving you panoramic views of all this lovely property has to offer. The home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a large laundry room. The large open family room with stone fireplace and wood insert welcomes you the minute you walk inside and is open to the dining room. The primary bedroom is on the main floor. The eat-in kitchen has loads of cabinets and workspace, and the owner will leave the appliances. This 2-car detached garage is just one of the many outbuildings on this property. This estate also features a secondary driveway and barn that is approximately 35 by 20 and has electricity and water. There is also an attached shop which could easily be used as a horse barn and tack room, or could remain as a workshop or barn. This covered pavilion is the perfect place for family gatherings and picnics. The property sits in Zone 5, so you can choose between Walton County or Social Circe school districts. This estate is close to all the area has to offer, including beautiful Downtown Monroe with its great restaurants and shopping. For more information on this property, as always, contact soldbytheprinceGroup.com.